Good morning. So we'll continue the discussion bearing parts. For the last two classes, what we have done is we have shown some figures, sectional views, photographs, and some concepts, guidelines. Normally, one or two sentences what I want to tell you as a final year mechanical students. In every paper, you know how to get the paper, either in the online method or some direct method. How to get the paper, you already know. But this is an extraordinary time. Nothing can be done. What is the effective method? Nothing can be done. How to help the students only is a headache for theory papers as well as your other activities. But everybody is helpless. Management is helpless. Principal is helpless. HODs and faculty is helpless. Laboratory staff members are helpless. Students are also helpless. Parents are also helpless. Extraordinary time, nothing can be done. But within the limitation, what is possible, we have to think. What I want to share is, this is machine design paper. Some other paper also available. See, if possible, we will arrange another separate discussion for you, if possible, if time permits. How to get the theory papers, how to move in other aspects, how to get your supplementary papers, how to become a strong mechanical engineer before going from SNGCT by now. So, as a simple suggestion for formalities, you have to display the video, you have to go through the video. New videos will be available, high quality videos will be available, average, low, every versions will be available. Even more than this quality, directly YouTube also you can enter, you will get a lot of videos. Wherever you are searching and getting the videos by any method, online method also, the most effective method is classroom discussion only. We are all helpless, we cannot do anything. That's why we are moving some possible methods. So how to get the things is a tension as a for the time being is a entirely different type of discussion. As I told you, I am interested with you for another separate discussion coming days, if possible. Not if possible, if you are interested, definitely you have to do that discussion. Because once you have finished the course, nobody will help you how to get the things. Everything should be in your control. So these videos, only one sentence I want to tell you. Any type of quality video also in mechanical engineering, especially papers like machine design, etc. If you go through the recorded video or online direct method, anything available also, don't think that this is the final. Even though classroom discussion also, good teachers are telling the students that you need not depend fully on the classroom discussion or notes or the PowerPoint, anything, or test tube. Then you will ask what to have to do. You have to do, there are different types of interaction. First thing is you should be interested. If you are not interested, no method will work for you. Slight, not 100% interest, slight interest should be there. If you are not interested, any method will fail in front of you. So I am not extending the discussion. This is machine design explanation. But what I want to give the information is that don't depend on this type of simply on this for your exam point of view, or you are going to join us. You hope that corona will be normal after some time. You have to join some industries, or you have to join some good research institutes for your higher studies. There are a lot of potential students in bioengineering or also mechanical. Even though I am not entered, I can guess. So you have to use your potential, whatever way possible you have to use. For that reason only I am telling, these are all formality wise you can use. You should use some other tools also. You should interact. You should get the papers, theory papers and the level concepts. There is no ready-made method for that. Within the limitation, you have to survive. So I want to repeat you only one thing is that is very clear. Once you go through any type of quality videos, or don't think that you have learned everything, you have studied everything. You have simply gone through that. You got the information that there are some chapters like a bearing or gears or gyroscope or something like that. You got from the test book, so that interaction also will get it. But to get to the things in your hand, it is slightly painful. For that you have to see what is the solution, etc. We will see, not in the machine design class. Some other separate session we have to discuss. So therefore, we will continue our discussion, machine design. This is already journal bearing. I told you clearance will change from maximum value to minimum value during the stationary part. When it is rotating, the clearance value will change. This clearance area only we are providing the lubricating oil. So this is another version of clearance mentioned along with the terminologies: load, rotation direction, loader zone, etc. Some terminologies are also mentioned in this figure. Diameter D, when you go for a calculation, fundamental side is how to fix the length and diameter of the journal bearing. For that, one equation you can use is capital P by small p into D. Capital P is the load, small p is the level pressure, D is the diameter of the journal. Suppose you fix a L, suppose you want L, capital P already load value will be mentioned. P you have to get from the data book. D also you have to fix. But simply fixing also no use. For that you have to check with another equation, L by D ratio. From page number also mentioned here and here. Corresponding pages you have to check whether after calculating you get one value of L, no doubt. If you substitute all the values you get L. P is given, small p from the data book, D you have fixed. But don't think that calculation is completed. You have to go for L by D ratio. For that typical page you have to see the application selected. The L by D ratio matching with your D value and L value, then your calculation is correct. If the L by D ratio is not matching, again you have to change the value either D, because here you are calculating L means definitely D only. The value of D you have to change. So this trial and error method will continue for some time. Finally you will reach the L by D ratio value, and then that time only you can fix the L and D values. This is the basic design of a normal bearing. For that clearance also you can calculate 0.001D. For that again one more step is done by P, because during the heat viscosity you have to select speed. So P already will be mentioned. From the Z by P value altogether from the page number 7.31, you can go for Z and N separately. Z means viscosity, N means speed. Like that you have to fix the value of speed. For that again one more equation will help you, called McKee's equation. For that you can calculate the viscosity. Viscosity you can substitute here. For the finally you can fix the value of speed of the shaft. If the speed is given, directly you can fix the Z value. You have to check with you need not check with the McKee's equation. That is the viscosity. What you have to do is, again you have to go for application page. Application page, whether that viscosity value is mentioned, your calculation accepted. Suppose that viscosity data book value, viscosity different value, your calculated value of viscosity different value, means you have to check the calculation, you have to make corresponding corrections. Now one more step is there. I told you during the rotation heat will be generated. You have to tally the equation heat generated should be equal to heat dissipated. There are heat G equation available in the data book, heat dissipated equation, empirical relation available in the data book. When you substitute that equation, finally you have to see that both are equal. Then only you can see that heat is not accumulated in the bearings. Suppose it is different, heat will be accumulated in the bearing. Finally the bearing will collapse after some time, not 1 hour, 2 hours. After 10 years or 12 years it will collapse. So Some other time it will be slightly greater, means no problem. Heat generated slightly more also, heat will not accumulate so much, that's also permitted. For other dimension of the bearing, in proportional diameter of the journal, provide sealing arrangement to minimize the leakage. Draw the arrangement. Rolling elements of bearing, this is nothing to explain here. This using these photographs, you can see ball and taper bearing, roller bearing, ball bearing and tapers type of bearings. Ball and roller bearings, characteristics, frictional resistance and less, rotating, non-rotating base, ball or roller has rolling contact, player bearing, the starting resistance is much large, and ball and roller bearing, the initial resistance motion is only slightly more. These are the explanation given for ball and roller bearing. Go through and understand. Types of roller bearing: 2. Single row deep groove bearing and single row roller bearing. Ball and roller bearing, symbolically, one sectional view is indicated here. Using this figure, try to visualize what is ball and roller bearing. Dimensions are also mentioned. The other necessary terminologies are also mentioned. This is also roller bearing. One another sectional view of photograph. Types of bearing already mentioned. This is a repeated figure. This is also roller bearing. Ball bearing, I think repeated again. Ball bearing in another way of presentation, you can visualize. Deep groove means again ball bearing. Groove will be mentioned in a deeper side. See, from the border, this much depth is there, this much. For there only we are fixing the bearing. Angular contact bearing. Angular contact bearing is not relevant for your with respect to your subject. Industrial application only it is coming. Cylindrical roller bearing. This type of bearing, what you have to do is just to remember what are the geometry and the terminology. Just to visualize. For at least short note questions for examinations, you see other numerical parts and all. They will ask for this type of designs for the examinations. Tapered roller bearing also you can visualize and you can remember what is the geometry and the terminology. Self-aligning roller bearing also I am not explaining, because even though I explain also will forget. So what you have to do is see the figure, visualize the figure, see what they have written: lock washer, lock nut, sleeve, tapered ball, inner ring. Try to remember. Suppose for examination they are asking, try to reproduce it for exam point of view. But the real application is coming in the industry only. Suppose you are a design engineer for bearings in the industry. Again, you have to take back and you are already having the data book. Nothing is complicated. Each elements you can go get the dimensions and you can give the dimension for the fabrication section. This is re-lubricated sealed ball bearing. So another version. This is also another pictorial view of oiling the type of bearing. How to oil, how to lubricate. This is the grease nipple. From here the lubricating grease will come. As it rotates, it will be provided throughout the 360-degree clearance of the journal bearing. Types and performance of roller bearing. This is not important for you. This again another pictorial photograph of roller type bearings.